First step on STRATUS. Open Adobe InDesign, give it a minute. It takes some time to load at first. Once loaded, change the window view, Window Workspace, Essentials Classic. This window might be randomly on your screen. I like to dock it off to a side panel like this. Time to open a spread. I'm going to open the starter spread as an example to get us started. Once it's open, save as right away. Follow these steps for your spread. Be sure to save the new file into the correct folder. Don't forget to rename it before hitting save. Zoom in, Control and plus zoom out, Control and. Double-click into a text box to edit it. It must be highlighted if you want to change the color. This drop-down will have certain colors from our theme, but if you want to pick a new one, follow these steps. These boxes with X marks in them are placeholders for photos. Click once on it when you're ready to place your image in. I recommend signing into Google Chrome on STRATUS. Then go to Google Drive and find our shared drive. Once there, download the photo you want to use. Now that it is downloaded, go back to InDesign again. Make sure the placeholder box is clicked first, then go to File, Place to locate your photo. The photo won't be in your Downloads folder. It will be in the following location with your STRATUS ID number. You will need to resize the photo. To fill the frame with the action. To do this, use this button here at the top of the screen as shown. To resize the frame to show more of the image, follow these steps shown. Once the frame size is set, you can resize the photo to zoom in. Click on the lens icon at the center of the photo. Then use a handle to make it bigger or smaller. Be sure to hold Shift while doing this. Once it has been resized, if you need to move it around, then Click and hold the lens icon to move it around within the frame. If the frame is too large, click away from the frame once. Then click back onto it, not the lens icon. Resize using a handle. In my example here, the photo is now in front of this color block. To fix it, follow these steps. Don't forget Save, 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 unless you like losing your work and starting it all over again.